Well, if you're looking to invest in the metaverse, then there are certain coins that you need to be able to follow. Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today we're looking at different coins in the metaverse. We're going to be looking at about 8 different coins and see where can we invest if we had $1,000 in the metaverse. Where can we invest it now? So sand is our first one. Sand. And what is sand? You can always click up here in KuCoin and it tells you what Sandbox is down here. You'll get a brief 1 to 2 line basic bio on sand and it will tell you what type of token it is and how it works and so on. If you want more information in reference to each of these, then you go into the website and you can find out more. You can go into this Explorer here and find out more information on that. Here it gives you some of its analysis on the amount of coins that are available for investing and what's the market cap and so on. So this is the same thing for every coin, but we're just looking here now at Sandbox and seeing how is it doing. What happens if I invest now? And how can I get the best benefit? Now you see here that back in November it had its highs of 860 and it's just been on a downtrend. Do you think that this is the bottom of it? Well, I would not invest just yet in this one because you can see it's a roller coaster ride. It went down and then up and then down and then up again, down. So guess what's going to happen? It's probably going to go up, maybe up to 370-ish, 350-ish, and then it's going to go down a bit more, most probably, unless it's met its bottom. And the reason I say it met its bottom is because it has double support right in here, triple support, I guess, if you want to be a little bit more technical on that. And there's a chance that this might go upward. If I had $1,000, would I invest all $1,000 in this? No, I might put 15, 20%, $200 into this and see where it rides because eventually it will go back up. But you want to try and catch as low as you can so that when it goes up, you make some returns. And obviously, some of us will get caught in the wrong place at the wrong time because that's just what happens. Mana, it has a very similar move, although it is flattening out here right into this consolidating path. And is this one a good one to invest in? You can see that its highs back in November were 590 or so, and now it's at 274, which is just about 50% off its highs, maybe even a little bit more than that. And it has been somewhat on a consolidating path since December, and you can see it right in there that it is continuous consolidation right in here. If it makes a move, yeah, it might make a move. It's possible it's going to make a move, but it depends on the overall market. Mana looks pretty good on its consolidating path. Here's another one, Alice, and Alice has also gone from its highs back in November of 28 down to $7. This is probably the bottom of this one because I don't see it any lower when it started out. The low that it had, it was a 790, and it's around 736 right now. So I would say it's a good time to invest in this one. If I had $1,000, I would invest a good 30, 40, maybe even 50% right now and watch it and see where it goes and then make another estimated guess in reference to that one. Another one in the metaverse is AXS, and AXS, let's just take a look at the chart here. You can see right now it's at 55. It used to be at 171. It's about 60% down from its highs back in November. This one, if I had $1,000, I might put in 30% into this one and hold and see where it goes. Is this the bottom? Well, it has multiple support levels at where right in here at 44, and it's above that. It's at 55, meaning it's already made a good 20% or more on this coin here, AXS in the metaverse. ONSTON, ONSTON. What is ONSTON? Look it up. I already showed you how to do it on KuCoin. This is fairly new. It started out last month, February 18th, and you can see that it's pretty much started out as of its high 55 cents. It's at 7 cents right now. It's way down. It's down 7 times from its highs. Jeez, that's amazing. Is this a good one to invest? I would not invest. I would watch it a little bit further. Maybe if I had $1,000, I might put 10% and watch and see where it goes, and then look from there. If you're feeling like taking a risk, then go in another 20%. But I don't see enough history here to be able to foretell where it's going to be headed. BLOK, BLOK in the last year, you can see in here that it's almost at its bottom right now of zero point zero 0.01 cents. And when it was back at its highs at the end of October at 18 cents, geez, it's almost gone down what, nine times its highs. Is this a good time to invest in this one? I don't know. I need to do some more research in reference to this one. BLOK. If you want to take a risk, just like I've told people, take a risk on these penny stocks. This is one of those block penny stocks, and you put in $100 or $1,000. It depends on your assets availability in reference to investing. PYR is at 11.54 right now, and back in November, it was somewhere around $50 range. So it's down about 5 times off its highs, 4 times off its highs. It's a good time to invest in this one as well. If I had $1,000, I would put in 30% at least into this one, if not 40. RFOX is our last one. It's valued at 5 cents right now, and it bounced back in November. It was valued somewhere around 35 cents. It's down almost 7 times its value. This is a good time to pick up some in here. I would pick up no more than 30 or 40%. It is risky. That's the truth. You've got to be aware of that. There is risk involved. However, it has gone on a long consolidation path and is waiting for everything else to pick up in the market in order to take a move. These are 8 different coins in the metaverse. If you're looking to invest and double your money account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account so that your money market account will grow multiplied? Stay safe. Get ready, as we're getting ready to launch our website in reference to the steps that are needed to have a foundation on investing. It's coming up your way. Get ready. Take care. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Until the next time.